Hi, my name's Tommy Hergert. I'm the COO of Hergert Oil Company, Super C convenience stores. Shoppers notice the lights. I really think it has a good impact on brightening the products, and I have noticed shoppers getting their attention drawn to them. It's mainly comments that just say like, wow, that looks really cool and really, brightens up the product. After the lights get installed, they can really tell the difference. We just had a meeting yesterday about doing a couple more stores. We have them at most of our locations, and we are very satisfied with the product and the service, and really like the new Q channel. Really impressed with that. It should lead to increased sales by drawing customers' attention more to the product, brightening it up. It makes it look more presentable, more noticeable, which we think leads to increased sales. I think the lights add to the overall image of the store. It makes it look brighter in general. That's what we're going for. We're going for well-lit, bright stores, and adding shelf lights definitely adds to that, and it just makes the store look better overall.